Andre, this is Agent Nash.
Hey, Nash! Haven't heard from you in a while.
What is it?
I was working with scientists trying to recreate Chicken Nugget Man when a mysterious-looking man broke into the compound, sabotaged the project, and then ran off with his creation. He and the new version of Chicken Nugget Man tracked down all of the scientists, and I'm the only survivor of the incident. I'm heading out of the compound right now. They're planning to attack San Francisco, the site of the people who evacuated from the Chicken Nugget Man attacks.
Okay, I'm on my way. Chicken Nugget Man will follow close behind. What is that?
I have come to bring justice to this unfair world.
Oh, you're the guy from the Kool-Aid commercials!
What? No! Do I look like I'm off on a sale?
Maybe you have grape juice?
I am the one called Chaos, and I will do whatever it takes to take over the world. Ah! Not if I have anything to say about it. Stop! What an amateur! I am the only true rival and opponent. Chicken Nugget Man, I challenge you to face me, here and now. We don't need to fight, there's a better way to do things. Ha! Too easy.
Uh-oh.
What do I do? What do I do? I'll use the convenient water cup.
Water! No!
That was easy! Too easy!
You would be certainly not innocent. I am about to bring an end to this world, and there is nothing you or anybody else can do about it. How could I have been betrayed like that?
Hello, Chaos. My name is Robby. I am here because we need your help. We know you have been betrayed by this mysterious villain, and we could use someone like you with your strength to help beat him.
And why should I trust you?
We are not like the man you once worked for. We care about each other, and we care about you too. That's why we want your help. We can save you from this life of evil, and we only ask that you help us win this battle.
Deal.